Hi, this is Ann with Finance on the Offense, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 books that changed my money habits. And I'll be honest with you, I've always been pretty frugal. I've known to save for retirement and not to take on debt, things like that. But I didn't really have like a step-by-step plan for my money, and these 3 books really helped me with those aspects. All right, let's get started. The first book on the list is Ramit Sethi's I Will Teach You to Be Rich. And this book is really geared more towards the younger crowd, like 20-somethings, but I feel like it has value for everyone. Ramit Sethi actually encourages you to spend a lot of money on the things you love, whether that's like a daily latte or a really expensive outfit, but he tells you to cut costs dramatically in all other areas. His main point in the book is automatic saving and investing. He says you should automate your finances so you don't even have to think about it. You can be completely lazy and they will go where they need to go on their own. So basically your paycheck goes in, money is taken from that and whisked away to other accounts and automatically invested in those. It's really a pretty cool system, but of course it does take some time to set up. This book also has a ton of other ways to kind of optimize your money situation. The second book on my list is The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. I really like this book because he really makes it simple. It goes over some traps you can avoid with money. For example, don't marry someone who is bad at money, and be sure to avoid debt yourself. There's a lot of good advice in there about saving and living a thrifty lifestyle. My favorite part of this book, though, is the investment strategy. It pretty much lays out what you should buy in terms of investments, and according to the book, that's basically a total stock market index fund. And this book recommends Vanguard, but there are actually a lot of brokerages that offer total stock market index funds like Schwab and Fidelity and other brokerages. If you want to know more about index funds, I actually have another video about that, so I'll put it right up here at the top of your screen. The third book on my list is one of the first books I read about personal finance, and it's a little bit controversial these days, but it's Dave Ramsey's Total Money Makeover. Now, no one in the financial world really likes Dave Ramsey anymore, but I do think this book has a lot of valuable info. I think it's a good idea to read it, take the things that provide value for you, and just leave the rest. The best thing about this book are the baby steps. So first you save $1,000 in like a mini emergency fund. Number 2 is pay off all debt except the house. Number 3 is a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, and it just goes on from there all the way to step 7. When I read this, I didn't have a strategy for my money. I just had some here and some there, but this helped me break down exactly what I should be doing. So that was really helpful for me personally. I didn't do all the steps in the way that he wants them to be done though, because I didn't really agree with some of them. So like I said, I just left that, took what was valuable to me and left the rest. So because of these 3 books, I really feel like I'm on a path to financial freedom and independence. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!